Troubleshooting insufficient water level in the toilet tank. After opening the toilet tank lid, first, check the overflow pipe between the fill valve and the flush valve. On this side, there is a small gear valve that controls the inlet flow. The larger the number on the gear valve, the greater the water flow during refilling, which also raises the water seal level. Set it to the maximum value, which is number 8. When adjusted to 8, the toilet water seal reaches its highest level. If you find the water seal insufficient, adjust this gear accordingly. Secondly, check if the refill tube is bent, as bending could restrict water flow and cause refilling issues.